Hey you guys, let's start making some of this beef right now. So we got the ground beef just getting started. You see it going right there, have it seasoned and all. So brown the meat to your perfection. You know, brown it as much as you want to. Go ahead and drain that oil. See that well cooked meat right there? So mix the tomato paste, water, herbs, and spices. Yes, it will look a little runny, but that's good if you don't like your stuff so thick. So go ahead and drop the cooked drained meat into the sauce, the meat sauce. Let it boil. Yeah, take time. Let it boil. So add the beans as well. Um, and let that stuff boil, stir, and all that. Let everything boil for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. It really depends on how you want your food. But let it boil for around that time if you want to. Boil the angel hair, stir, drain, pour cold water to cool those noodles off. Go ahead and continue to stir those angel hair pasta noodles or spaghetti if you want to. Cook garlic bread in oven until done. Prepare a bowl of pasta, top it off with meat sauce. And pour more sauce to your perfection. If you want it saucy, put a little more on there. You put a little more. Go ahead and add some cheddar cheese or the cheese that you normally eat. Time to enjoy the 4-way chili. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys.